How to find and use Google Ads promo codes fast. Looking to save some money on your advertising campaigns? Finding and using Google Ads promo codes can give your budget an extra boost. In this video, I'll guide you through quick and simple steps to discover these valuable promo codes and how to use them effectively. Firstly, let's explore where to find these codes. Start by checking your email inbox. Google occasionally sends promo codes to new users or special offers. Keep an eye on emails from Google Ads if you have an account, as you might be one of the lucky recipients. Another way to find promo codes is by searching online. Websites like RetailMeNot, Groupon, or any trustworthy coupon site often list available Google Ads promo codes. Make sure to verify their expiration dates and terms of use to ensure they fit your needs. You can also try contacting Google Ads support. They might have ongoing promotions or offers for new advertisers that they can provide you with. It never hurts to ask. Once you've got your promo code, using it is straightforward. Log in to your Google Ads account and navigate to the billing section. There, you'll find an option for promotions or promo codes. Enter your code there and ensure it applies to your account. Remember, Google Ads promo codes often come with specific conditions, like minimum spending requirements or being valid only for new accounts. Always check these details to maximize your promo's value. Using these strategies, you can quickly find and utilize Google Ads promo codes to give your campaigns that extra edge. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks. Happy advertising!